Hi, Ben.
Hi, Laura. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am good too.
Did you come early today?
Yes, I came early. I woke up early today.
That is good. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that is early. I woke up at 7.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast at home.
What did you eat?
I ate bread and eggs. I also drank milk.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I ate cereal and fruit. I drank a glass of water.
Very nice.
Ben, is this your bag?
Yes, it is my bag.
Your bag looks heavy.
Yes, it is very heavy today.
Why is it so heavy?
I have many books. I also have my notebook and lunchbox.
I see. I also have many books today.
Which subjects do we have today?
We have English, math, and science.
English is my favorite subject.
I like English too.
Why do you like English?
Because English is easy and useful.
Yes, English helps us talk to people.
Is the teacher here?
No, the teacher is not here yet.
We still have 5 minutes.
Yes, let's revise our lesson.
Good idea.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I completed my homework.
That's great.
Did you finish yours?
Yes, I did it last night.
Was it difficult?
No, it was easy.
I'm happy to hear that.
Laura, what do you do every morning?
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. Then I eat breakfast.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my mother in the kitchen.
That is very nice.
What about you?
I make my bed. I pack my school bag. Then I go to school.
Do you walk to school?
No, I come by bus.
I walk to school.
Laura, the teacher is coming.
Okay. Sit properly.
It is lunchtime now.
Yes, I am very hungry.
What did you bring for lunch?
I brought rice and vegetables.
That smells good.
What about you?
I brought a sandwich and an apple.
Do you want to share?
Yes, let's share our lunch.
Thank you, Ben.
You're welcome.
Our classroom is clean today.
Yes, it looks nice.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too. I like fresh air.
Who is your best friend in class?
You are my best friend.
Thank you. You are my best friend too.
Friends help each other.
Yes, friends study together.
Laura, how do you practice English?
I read English books. I watch English videos. I speak English every day.
That is good practice.
Do you speak English at home?
Yes, sometimes. I practice with my brother.
Practice makes us better.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
What will you do after school?
I will go home. I will do my homework. Then I will play.
What game do you play?
I play football.
I like drawing after school.
That is a good hobby.
Hobbies make us happy.
Do you like exams?
No, I feel nervous.
Me too. But exams are important.
Yes, exams test our knowledge.
We should study daily.
Yes, daily study helps a lot.
School is over now.
Yes, the day was good.
I learned many things today.
Me too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Laura. How was your day yesterday?
My day was good. How about you?
My day was busy but nice.
What did you do after school?
I went home. I changed my clothes. Then I did my homework.
Did you finish all your homework?
Yes, I finished it before dinner.
That's great. Which subject homework did you like?
I liked English homework.
Why did you like it?
Because it was easy and fun.
What did we write in English?
We wrote about our daily routine.
Yes, I remember.
Did you make any mistakes?
Yes, a few mistakes.
It's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
The class is quiet today.
Yes, everyone is studying.
I like a quiet classroom.
Me too. It helps me focus.
Do you like writing or reading?
I like reading more.
I like writing.
Both are important.
Let's practice English speaking.
Yes, let's talk in English.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Mine is rice and curry.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
I like green.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English is my favorite too.
Our English teacher is very kind.
Yes, she explains well.
She speaks slowly.
That helps us understand.
I like when the teacher asks questions.
Yes, it improves our confidence. Ben, let's study together.
Sure.
Can you read the sentence?
Yes. This is my school.
Good. Now read this one.
I like to learn English.
Very good.
Your pronunciation is nice.
Thank you.
Do you follow school rules?
Yes, I follow all rules.
What are some rules?
We should be on time. We should respect teachers. We should keep the classroom clean.
These are good rules.
Rules make us disciplined.
I feel a little tired.
Yes, me too.
Let's drink some water.
Good idea.
Do you bring a water bottle?
Yes, I always carry one.
Staying hydrated is important.
Ben, how many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That's nice.
How about your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a teacher.
That's great.
What about you?
I want to become a doctor.
You will be a good doctor.
Thank you.
The bell is ringing.
Yes, class is over.
Today's class was interesting.
Yes, I learned new words.
Learning English is fun.
Yes, if we practice daily. Let's go home now.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Ben.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Laura.
Let's go to the assembly.
Yes, the assembly is starting.
We should stand in a line.
Yes, stand straight.
The principal is speaking.
Let's listen carefully.
He is talking about discipline.
Discipline is important in school. Laura, do you like school activities?
Yes, I like them very much.
Which activity do you like most?
I like drawing and singing.
I like sports activities.
Activities make school life fun.
Yes, they help us learn new skills.
It is game time now.
Yes, let's go to the playground.
What game do you want to play?
I want to play football.
I like badminton.
Games keep us healthy.
Yes, games make us strong.
Let's warm up before playing.
Good idea.
We should play as a team.
Yes, teamwork is important.
We should pass the ball.
We should help each other.
Winning is good, but playing is more important.
Yes, we should enjoy the game. I am tired.
Me too, but I feel happy.
Let's drink some water.
Yes, we should rest.
Sports make us active.
Yes, sports are good for health. Laura, exams are coming soon.
Yes, I feel nervous.
Don't worry, we will prepare well.
How do you prepare for exams?
I study every day. I revise my lessons.
I practice writing answers.
That is a good habit.
Let's revise English.
Okay.
What is this word?
It is student.
Spell it, please.
Student.
Very good.
What is the meaning of teacher?
A teacher helps us learn. Our teachers work very hard.
Yes, they teach us daily.
I respect my teachers.
Me too.
My favorite teacher is the English teacher.
Mine is the math teacher.
Teachers guide us.
Teachers shape our future.
The exam hall is very quiet.
Yes, everyone is writing.
Read the question carefully.
Yes, write neatly.
Time management is important.
Don't rush. The exam is over.
I feel relaxed now.
How was your exam?
It was good.
Mine was okay.
Let's hope for good results.
Yes, stay positive.
Ben, did you see your result?
Yes, I passed the exam.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I also passed.
Well done.
Hard work always pays off.
There is a school function today.
Yes, I am excited.
Are you participating?
Yes, I am dancing.
That's great.
Are you participating?
Yes, I'm giving a speech.
Best of luck.
Today was a busy day.
Yes, but it was fun.
School life is beautiful.
Yes, we learn and grow every day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.